there is a brewing fight at the ballot box between the trial lawyers, consumer attorneys, and doctors and hospitals over something called MICRA, the medical insurance. Now, for a little bit of background, for people who don't know this, that in California, if you are the victim of a medical malpractice suit, you can sue for lost wages, you can sue for your medical bills, but the pain and suffering of not having arms because they botched an operation is $250,000. That's it. It established in law back in 1975. Are they going to go to the ballot on this, or is there a legislative solution between these two sides?
Let me tell you my view, first of all. I met a father 2 weeks ago whose 5-year-old daughter nearly died as a 2-year-old. She was turning blue in an emergency room, wasn't seen for 4.5 hours, was the victim of malpractice. She lost both her arms and her leg. She now has gotten $250,000 in pain and suffering for her lifetime. That's the kind of story I hear throughout California.
And she didn't have earnings, so she probably didn't get lost wages.
Well, and she didn't. And so this MICRA cap of $250,000 has been in effect for 37 years. And I think there always needs to be a balance, and we need to make sure that we are very sensitive about insurance rates and malpractice rates, and that we protect doctors. But I am for raising that cap reasonably. And I believe that we should do it legislatively. The issue has become so politicized, and there's a cottage industry of opponents to even considering raising the cap, that the initiative may in fact be the only way. But
that cottage industry, that's the California Medical Association.
It's not just the California Medical Association. It's a whole host of advocates out there. And I know that it's difficult. I know that organizations like Planned Parenthood are concerned about it. But look, nobody says, I certainly wouldn't say that we ought to just lift it and allow it to continue to be lifted. But how about reasonable conversation, reasonable compromise to deal with 37 years and the kind of story that I just told?
Reasonable. We'll have more questions with Darrell Steinberg, the Senate President Pro Tem, when news conference returns.